Everyone, just want to share a quick sunset with you. Almost didn't get out here in time. I had just gotten out of the shower and looked out the window. Looks like a nice sunset. We got a little bit of rain for a few minutes this evening, so it cooled everything off. Got some pink and blue sky going on up here. See a little rain in the distance over there. Had a quiet Independence Day here for Pa and me. He was still resting up, and I was doing my gardening. So hope you guys had a good one and have a wonderful week. Don't worry, be happy. Life's too short to worry too much. Just put your trust in Jesus. He'll take care of us. God bless y'all. Much love to you. Bye for now.